Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm cheesy. I know sometimes I can be very playful and very hyper, but today this is the one I'm just doing to get off the whole low mood I am in. The mood is not that active, but you know what, whenever I come to the camera it just come up. Thank you guys. You know what, this strongness and this motivation is coming from you watching today's video, because if you are not here today, I don't think that when my mood is very low I will just stand up, dress like this and make up without you. Nah, I can't do it without you. That's why I am here to say thank you, all of my subscribers. Those that have not subscribed, thank you for even coming in today to watch. Maybe you like fashion, and this is what I do on my channel. I upload video here every week on fashion. I show off fashion and as well talk about skincare and lifestyle vlog and random videos like motivation videos. As you can see from the thumbnail, we are going to unbox some of the spring haul that I picked up from Zara this week, and it's a whole lot. We've got a whole lot of stuff in here, and I don't want to waste much of your time today as well. And if you want to get the outfit, don't worry, I'll leave the link below for you so you go get them out, okay? The first outfit we are going to try is this one, and this is a crop top again, and I got this from size extra large, and this is £29.99. You can see, if you have been seeing on Zara website, this is one of their new outfit that they added on their website. All right, I got it, the up one and the trouser. Whew. Right guys, here is the outfit. I know most of you must have seen this on their website. This is really, this flower paint, the material is really lovely, but if you are the type that has DD cuffs, it's too tight here. I hope you guys can. I just want you to have a very close view of this outfit. It's so gorgeous and so beautiful, but very tight. Look at the back as well. No guys, what do you guys think? It's gorgeous. I don't know how to tie this rope. I think you have to go round and go again. Yeah, do you leave it in front? Oh yeah, I think so. It got a look at that detail here. It's so gorgeous. Yeah, because it just started from here to this, so probably you can leave it in front, you can leave it, you can tie it in front, you can tie it at the back. What do you guys think about this outfit? And the length is wicked. The length is wicked. Even with your heels on, you still can't see your toe. My God, this is nice. I don't know if I should keep it, but it's very tight. I don't know. It's also tight as well. It's really tight here. Nah, I don't know. Let me guys, let me know what you think about this outfit. It's so beautiful, and the problem is it's very tight here. Whew, so gorgeous. Guys, the next one is this two-piece. Oh my God, this two-piece is really nice. When I think I got this one on what size again? Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, this has only large, and the previous one that I showed you guys only end with extra large, so there is no way I can size up that top, so it's only extra large, and that's the extra large I got, and it didn't go. But this is large and it's so bogus, you know, and fitting. I love the way it fits. It even makes me look very slim. That's what I like. It had the whole biggie and everything. But unfortunately, when I was getting the pant, this is made of, it's a wool material, and I love this. This is so gorgeous. The color is beautiful on me, and when I was buying it, I couldn't see large of the trouser. I think what size that is remaining was just medium, and then I picked up the medium, saying that, see, I did have the feeling that the top is going to be a big one, that it might cover my bum. It's a bit tight, though the medium is a bit tight, but I don't think is bad at all. With the top, I think 2 of them can go. With the way the top is, I could go with the medium size. What do you guys think? Let me know. The length, that's the length, guys. That's the length. The length is also lovely as well, but it's not as wicked like the first one that I tried on. But this is good. This is bump. This is lovely. Let me know, guys, what you think. I think this is nice, but let me know. What a beautiful red. What a beautiful red. This asymmetric top, as it is called, asymmetric. Oh my God, I saw this on the website and I was praying that this really sized me. And I got this thing on size extra large. The hand is not going with this straight trouser. Oh dear. Even the trouser, this is extra large as well. Yeah, and I got it. Yeah, that's it. This is extra large. Look, online shopping, man. Zara sizes as well. This is extra large and I got the trouser for £39.99, £40. The material is nice. The quality of this material is lovely. I love it, but it's tight on my tummy. I don't mind keeping just the trouser anyway, because I even love the way it fits me, and the high, like it's like a high waist trouser. It's really lovely on me, and I love the way the high waist of it. It also makes my tummy look smaller than it was, because looking at this now, you think this chick, maybe she has lost some kilos, but I don't know. This dress is just, this trouser is just giving me another assurance that, girl, your height, man, your height, girl. What do you guys think? Should I keep the trouser and return the top, or should I just return the two? What do you guys think? Do you think it suits me? Do you think he's lovely? Do you think I should keep it? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. God. Guys, I am not feeling this outfit at all. This doesn't look like my kind of thing. Not at all. I'm trying to tie the back. Hold on, guys. Alright, we received another parcel. We're going to do this one next time. Maybe we should do it immediately after this one. Yes, but let's carry on. So, guys, I have tied the back. The top is not bad at all, and this is size large. I got this in large as well, and this is £25.99. Let's say it's £26. And the skirt, I got the skirt on what size? This is a wool material, and the black is not bad at all. It's £39.99. All my days, £40 for this skirt. But guys, tell me, what do you think? I don't know. I can't really connect with this outfit. I don't know what it looks like. It's not like what I don't know. It's not, I can't say, but it's not giving me any vibes. I'm not really loving the look. It's not my kind of thing. I just said, let me buy it because it was really looking nice on the model. So I said, okay, let me try it and see what it looks on me. But then I can't feel it. I'm not, it has a rope at the back. Yeah. Tell me, what do you guys think? I'll come closer. That's what it looks, very close. What do you guys think? Let me know. Guys, the next one before I try them on, this is amazing. I wanted to try it and I saw this. I said, let me show you, because Zara sizes, I'm not really understanding it at all. Look, I want to try this banana print shirt, and this is on size extra large, XXL. This is interesting for people like us. And Zara, we want you to help us to be doing more of this XXL. Even some of your XL is not even fitting us, which is 38DD. Please, more size up, please. We are getting into summer now. Yes, I finished all the spring, and this is some of the summer outfits that I picked. You see, because this is extra, extra, extra. Look how this short and t-shirt is looking on me. This is gorgeous, guys. What do you think? Let me know what you think about this outfit. Let me come closer for you to see the banana print, the color, everything. The print, the color, everything is bomb. It's nice. Look at the back. The back has a tie here, so you just have to loose it up. Oh, I love it. I love it. Or maybe if you want to, you free it. Just leave it that loose. Ooh, I think it's even much better when you lose it up. You know, when you maybe if you are the one that has mommy tummy like me, it would be nice for us to, yes, yes, that's the mommy style. What do you guys think? Yeah. What do you think about this outfit? Let me know. I think I love the color and I love the material. It's a cotton material, it's gorgeous, and the color as well suits me. Hey, I love this. Oh God, I got a glasses as well. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, the packaging is beautiful. I didn't even realize it's going to come in a pack. I thought maybe they just, ooh, wow. And you even got some handkerchief to clean it up. Oh. It's an extra bag as well. That is gorgeous to protect the glasses. If you take it off from this nylon and then you put it on the bag to keep it clean and protect it as well. Okay, this is looking bad now. Let's try it on. Tell me what you think about it. Are you ready? Here counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, do you think it suit me? What do you guys think? Please let me know. I don't know. This is really sharp as well. For some reason, this is really sharp. It's so sharp, and I think you might even... Oh, I just removed the label now. Because this is so sharp. It's dangerous. It might hurt you. That's the only thing I just I'm feeling now. Look. It is sharp. Everything about it, look, it's all glasses, all true. Glasses and metal, very sharp, nothing to protect these edges. So it's going direct on your skin. So I don't know if this is really good. It's not a good idea for me. And even when I put it on, I think it feels a bit tight. Oh, it does feel a bit tight for me. I know you would tell me it's nice, but I'm just concerned about this place. And this place is alright. I can feel it's just this he's here. Just let me know, guys. What do you think about this? Should I keep it or should I return it? Okay, let's go to the last summer outfit that I got. I know everything I bought today is on two piece. None of them comes as a single. So this is the last one, the floral print skirt for my summer as well. I love red. I told you guys I'm loving red now. And another crop top. This is wicked. Oh my God, the skirt is really lovely, but the top, I'm not really feeling it, but we'll try it. Maybe when I put it on, it might be nice as well. And I got it on extra large, size extra large, and it's $19.99 for the top. And the skirts, I got it on extra large as well, £26, $25.99. So let me try it, guys, and finally let's see what it looks. So this outfit is nice. You guys can see it. It suits me very well. Even though it's a crop top, at least I can always increase the length there. And I love this split here by the side. That's so gorgeous. And the color, but It doesn't really look good. I'll come closer for you guys to see it. This is nice. This is good. That's what I wanted to wear it. When I was there, when I was shopping, I was like, okay, that's for Instagram posts. This is not good for me. Tell me, guys, what you think. How do you think I could get away with this hand? I don't think I can. Not just the hand and everything. And I was thinking maybe let me do off shoulder. But if I do off shoulder and it's looking somehow, I just don't know. I just don't know. Look, try to do off shoulder and it's pulling off that way. It's not really nice. And it got I don't know what this is called, something like here that you can pull it up as well to really have a nice fitting. This is nice, but the way it's looking, that is not for me. Anyway, that is it for this haul. So should we use this makeup and unbox what I received when I was filming this one? I think we have to. Let's just get to the next one. But two of them are not going together, so stay tuned if you want to really see what is on the other box, other parcels that I received. Make sure you subscribe. I'm still going to upload all of them together, but I don't know which one is going first. So what if that one goes first? And I'm saying this now. Anyway, whichever way, you will see it at the end of the whole thing. So thank you guys for your time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the outfit, which one to keep and which one to return. That will be so helpful if you do that. Your opinion really does matter, because you know they say two heads are better than one. Okay, thank you. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's just carry on now. Okay, this is it, guys. My daughter really loved this outfit as well, but she wanted to take it, and then only for her to wear it. The hand as well, it's not fitting. I think I don't get it. On the back, please. I don't get the way they sew this outfit, honestly, because the hand is not even resting on the shoulder. It's not even resting on the arm. If you want to, this is it. If you have any idea on how to go about this outfit, please let me know.